Hi everyone, in this video you will learn that why your Facebook group posts are not getting any likes, comments and because of the admin criteria. When you post in the certain groups, this is disliked or removed for some reason because the admin add the criteria in the groups. So first I can just search for the any groups like I can just search for the freelancer groups, and then here I can just if I open up this group and I can just click on the write something and I can just post in this group. So now you can see it is I will show you that it is posted, dislined or removed and why it is dislined or removed from this group. So here I can just paste the link and I can just type the please join. So after you post, click on the post option after you type it. So guys, once your post was posted here, you just need to click on the three dot option you are seeing and then just click on the your content option you are seeing. Now here you will see your pending post published, disliked, removed or flagged. And now you are seeing my post is published, but in many big groups the post will not directly publish. They are disliked or they removed, and there are only 5% groups that are free in the Facebook. So I can just show you there are only the 5% groups that are free on the Facebook, but you need to find the free groups daily. And once you find the free groups, you post daily because these are the free, and there is 95% groups in the Facebook that are not free. When you post in these groups, your posts are getting disliked or removed for some reason. So this is why, because the admin add the criteria in the groups to keep groups stay away from those scammers on the Facebook to keep the community safe. So first I will show you and the how admins do that. So I can just go back and I can just open up the any other group. So this is private. I can just go back and open up this group, which is the Upwork and Fiverr, and I can just click on the write something and I can just post in this group. So once I pasted the link, I can just type the please join and I can just click on the post. So once I post it here, I can just click on the three dot option. Now I can just click on the your content. Now here you are seeing guys, my post is removed. So this is why the admin criteria has met. So I can just go to the groups and show you the criteria of admin assist. I can just open up the any group like this one. This is the 6.40 members. I can go to the admin assist. Now I can just scroll down here. You will see that this line incoming post if post has the fewer than 10 characters. I am adding the many criterias. If any of the criteria met with the post, then the post will automatically get this line. Like the post as a link, post as a profile picture. So admin add the criteria by clicking on this add option, and here you will also see if the post include the false information, then also your post will disline in the group. And if you are also new to group, and if you also the new account, if you any of these, and so there is also the free groups on the Facebook. You can keep searching free groups, and admin also add the criteria to keep stay away the scammers from posting irrelevant comment in the groups. So I can just go to the groups, and here you are also seeing in today there is the 10 posts are disliked and 2 comments are disliked. And this is how you can fix this problem, and you have to just find the free groups that have the not these criteria and you can post in these groups, so you will get the likes and comments. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.